I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm the NVR model and current firmware so you know supported codecs and max channels. Once done, ensure the camera has power, PoE or separate adapter, and is on the same LAN as the NVR so Discovery works. Make sure you have the camera's IP address and admin credentials handy. Without them, you can't complete registration. Now log into the NVR web UI or local GUI using your admin account and proceed to the Camera or Device Management section to add a new device. Once in Device Management, choose Auto Detect to let the NVR probe the subnet. If the camera doesn't appear, switch to Manual Add and type the IP, port, and protocol. OnVIF is preferred for automated settings. Next, input the camera username and password. This authenticates streams and ensures PTZ controls work. Select the stream type and profile, main for recording, sub for live view, then set resolution and frame rate based on storage and bandwidth constraints. Finally, map the camera to an NVR channel before saving. After saving, test the live view and trigger a manual recording to confirm the feed rights to disk. Make sure the recording schedule is enabled and that playback of the newly recorded clip works as expected. This validates both stream and storage. If you run into problems, reboot the camera and NVR to clear caches, then verify no IP conflicts or subnet mismatches exist, and that OnVIF or RTSB is enabled on the camera. One key tip: incorrect credentials are the most common cause. Re-enter them and re-add if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.